This video is going to be a brief demonstration on how to use the equation editor in a discussion post. So when creating a discussion post, you of course first enter your subject, and then you want to type along down here. So let's say we are trying to factor something. Well, it can look a little ugly if we try to just type it out in words, or even if we know some notation, try and type it like this. That can still look ugly. It will be easier to see if we go over here. In your discussion posts, you'll see this little ... show all components. Oh, I do have it. And you'll see this graphical equation. You click on that, and it brings up this screen. So instead of typing what we had done before, I'm going to type x. With the superscript, put the 2. I have to right arrow in order to keep moving. Plus, although the keyboard plus would have worked there as well. And then just type 3x plus, I'd said 4 before, but 2 is going to factor a bit more nicely. And then we press insert. And it shows up. We post this, and if we go into read, it actually looks a bit nicer. It's something that we can easily read and see what it's referring to. Now here's the danger with using that equation editor. If I go in and find it and just start typing everything in here, and let's see, let's actually factor it. And then we post it. And now look at this particular post. The F's are a little off. The I's are sort of strange. Oh, I didn't get any of the really bad ones here. But what it's trying to do, since I typed it all in equation editor, it assumes that every one of these letters is a variable that I've typed. That can look bad, especially if I type a word like, completely forgot what word it was. But any word that has the, equation editor, any word that has the sequence TAN in it, or LOG, or any of those are mathematical operations. And so when I post them within a word, it's going to bring it out. It's going to make it look different than the rest of the word. So we only want to use that equation editor to type mathematical expressions. We want to keep typing the rest of our stuff in the normal text box. Hope this video helps out a bit, and please ask questions.